So I cleaned it off. The steel wool, it was a soft steel wool, worked really nice. It was nice and clean, so I inserted it back there. And then I went to remove this cover because I wanted to clean I don't know what they call them, the gas tubes where the flame is, or where it comes out. But I took these off, these 4 bolts, but I can't get, this would not come off. It's like it's glued in there or something. It would not. I mean, maybe I could have forced it, but I just didn't really. I didn't want to take that chance of breaking something. So I got a wet rag and a vacuum cleaner, cleaned it up the best I could. There was a bunch of rust in here from when water came down through before. I don't think it's happening anymore, but I cleaned it all up. So we'll keep an eye on that, see if it produces more. And I turned it on, and that's our flame now. There's a little bit of yellow going on there. I don't know, I'm not an expert. I don't know if that's normal. Maybe it is because it's kind of on the side. You can see the round part is not showing any yellow, so maybe this is kind of like on the side. But again, if I could have cleaned them out, maybe that would be doing that. So, but I don't know, I guess I have to watch some more YouTube videos and see why this is coming off so hard. I suppose they don't want anybody to take it off, but this thing's old. I would imagine there's been some buildup in there, but for now it seems to be running good. It's not making any noises that sound terrible. So I think we're going to let's see what it does. Keep an eye on it. And then watch some more YouTube videos. I really would like to clean them, but if I can't get into it without breaking something, I'm not going to do it, especially if it's operational. Okay, so that's a little experience with the flame sensor. Appears to have been the problem, but we'll see. I don't know how it would yet, because it did run before, but then it shut off, and I think it kept turning back on. And I guess they said in the book that around the internet 5 times and then it stays off for an hour. So far it's been on and it's been about 5 minutes. So we'll see. Keep an eye on it.